Welcome to another episode of Fox TV. This episode is about guy code and protecting it. Now the guy code is a bunch of rules, bunch of things that we man do that is very essential to us. It's necessary so we use some of these tactics for either keep woman from certain things, get woman and all these things. Only if a woman want to get to find out what the guy code is and how we apply it to certain situations. No, it is the job of these real niggas like myself to protect the guy code, cause some boy go around it. And when you go around the guy code, you have to get books. Cause when I play certain things, the guy code we need it for stay alive. No, one of the guy code I'm gonna defend today is the chatty, the run your mouth, bitch nigga move. Now you have some boy that just can't hold them mouth no matter what. Them boy they forget our books. Why? Because them a violate the guy code and them a fuck up everything. Number one, if you want a man a party and him a friend and man tell us him fuck a thing, see, and you try get that thing there too, there's no need for you go back to the girl and tell the girl say, between me and you know say, my brethren tell me say, him fuck it. No, you don't do them thing there. Because now you fuck up anything when she and your brethren have. Yes up, because now she know say, him talk. If your brethren tell you say him kill something and you don't believe, don't ask the female, just allow it as it is. The moment you bring back your brethren name to the girl, and then further on you come with some fuckery like between me and you. Because certain female, this is how them operate. Them we run through a crew of niggas. A crew of niggas. But them no want feeling certain type of way like, oh, them a go think me some type of tot. American slang for whore. So what them do, them like keep it from one another. I'm not wrong them. I feel them pum them want share the thing, them share the thing. Boy, have some boy a fuck up the thing. When you go do them thing then now, you make the girl uncomfortable now. Because now she know say, she give him the pum and now you know. So now your chances of getting the pum because you go back and tell her say between you and her such and such say him such and such. She hesitate now. This is why we don't go back to female and say certain thing because now she's uncomfortable with fucking you because you and him a friend. Woman want to do things like go through your friend, go through that one there, go through that one there and keep it between them. Me not wrong them because men do the same thing too. The only thing we don't want female know one which one of them friend we are go through. That is another guy code. So if the female want to do it, lower make she do it. I fear her vagina. No, when you go do that now, she start think now, she a go press the nigga will tell you that. So now, she come back to the nigga now. Oh, between me and you, your friend tell me say, you tell him say, we fuck. Complications right now because instead of she say she hear say she just come back and say your friend, so now she put you on the spot and then she try protect for herself again by saying between me and you. We do like he say she say fuckery. So guess what, the boy them we are going them out and a chat man for keep them mouth. If you look at girl and you notice say a virgin and deal with the girl on a level but you're not sure what go on, you have some man who go to the girl and start chat some bag of fuckery about the guy. You know, see, I'm a virgin, but you know what I mean? Him have a bag of girl, you know what I mean? I rate him still, you know, but he's a little girlish though, so you have to watch yourself. No, that is violating the guy code. And we don't call my name forget pussy. Some boy if you know these things. We don't run in power niggas, baby mother, girlfriend, wifey, none of them thing there. Some boy just can't get vagina without calling her next man name. Hold your face. If it's a girl clown, don't move your face. When a girl get the thing, shut up and don't tell nobody. That are between you and the girl. Sometimes the thing good and you want to tell her your little friend, but you can't do it. Nowadays them boy just chat too much. If you know a nigga will always violate the guy code, tell them come down little bit, share, comment, like, dislike, share it on the nigga page. And don't forget to subscribe to our Professor and Box TV, YouTube, Twitter, Vine, IG. And me all bill all the apps so you can get everything in a one place. Yeah. Remember don't send me no party invite because me nah come a party. Box TV will just get started. Big up to every gallus, big up to every married man, big up to every real nigga. Guy code me say protect it. I'm gone.